When you struggle to create thumbnails like these big creators, I'm here to show you how to make such thumbnails using AI and on your mobile. I know you've watched many videos that require generating prompts from ChatGPT to create AI thumbnails, which sometimes don't give great results. But in this video, I'll show you a better way than ChatGPT. So, without wasting time, let's start the video. I'm going to generate these two thumbnails using AI. First, download the kind of thumbnail you want from YouTube. So now, I will first generate this MrBeast thumbnail using AI. For that, you must open the Chrome browser and search for image to prompt. Now, click on the first website and visit it. Here, sign up with Gmail. After you sign up, click on Get a Prompt and upload the thumbnail you want to regenerate. It will generate the prompt in seconds. Okay, here, you'll see 3 suggested prompts, but tap on the last prompt to copy it automatically. Then, open a new tab and search for Ideogram. Again, open the first website and log in or sign up on the website. Click on the plus option below and paste the copied prompt. Scroll down and you'll see some commands. Don't change anything. Keep the magic prompt option on auto. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Leave everything else the same. Then, click on the Generate option above. While it's generating the thumbnail, let me tell you that this website allows you to generate 20 thumbnails daily, with 4 images per prompt, which is sufficient for a creator. Now, our thumbnail is generated, and it looks pretty good. Here's the second thumbnail, the third, and the fourth. If you don't like any of the 4, you can always regenerate them. Select the best one from the generated thumbnails, click on the 3 dots, and download it. Now let's create Dhruv Rathee's thumbnail. I'll go to the Image to Prompt website again and upload my thumbnail below. Again, it will give us 3 prompts. Click on the last one to copy it. Then, go to Ideogram, paste the prompt, and click on Generate. After waiting a bit, it will be generated. So you can see the results are impressive. Again, you can regenerate if you're not satisfied with the thumbnail. Don't skip the video now, because we're going to compare these copied thumbnails with the original ones. Now let's see which thumbnail matches the original the most. Let me know which ones are the best in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel to get notified about my next video.